Hey guys, welcome back. Today is June 1st, which is Eat at Home Challenge Day 1. I have some boneless, skinless chicken breast I have cut into strips. I'm going to add some seasoning, garlic powder, onion powder, some Lowry's, as well as some Italian seasoning. And I'm gonna get this all mixed up. Hey guys, okay, I realized that I have not told you what we're making yet. Tonight we are making chicken carbonara. I have never made this before, but this was on Tiffany at Large Family Love's meal plan, whose meal plan that we're gonna follow this entire month. So I'm excited because it's gonna force us to try new recipes. So what we have going on here is we are browning up some bacon bits until they're crispy, and then I also have some water going over here for some linguine noodles. I'm just going to make these Barilla linguine noodles, and for toast, Texas toast tonight, we're going to be using the Great Value brand, and I have my oven preheating as well. So far our chicken's ready. Our bacon's going, heating up our water, and we will be back shortly. While my bacon is finishing crisping up, I have 4 eggs that I have scrambled in this bowl. I'm gonna add Parmesan cheese, heavy cream, salt and pepper. That cheese is pretty salty, so I'm gonna go kind of light on the salt. And then this asks for basil, but I am completely out of basil. So I'm just gonna add just a little bit of Italian seasoning. And I'm gonna give this a really good stir. And then we're gonna set this to the side. I've got my garlic bread ready to go in the oven when it's time as well. I have my linguine boiling in my pot over there. I have saved 2 cups. I have saved 2 teaspoons of my bacon grease in my pan, and I am going to add my chicken to get that cooked up. I am also going to add some minced garlic. All right, guys, you want to make sure that you are cooking your chicken all the way through. And as that chicken browns up and you know it's done, then you're going to start pulling it and putting it on the plate with your bacon. The next step is easy as pie, and it is to take your pan off the heat and let this cool down. Before you go on to any other steps, you want this pan to cool down. Our noodles have finished up. The recipe says to reserve some of your pasta water before you drain your pasta. Before you drain your pasta. I'm gonna get this drained up and get my garlic bread in the oven. Okay guys, I have my cool down pan. I have my warm linguine noodles. I'm gonna add back in my chicken and my bacon. The reason why you had to cool your pan down was because your eggs will scramble if you do not. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna give this another good mix here, and we're gonna pray for no scrambled eggs. I'm so nervous, you guys. At least if I fail, I'm gonna fail among friends. My family might be hungry the first night and we'll be eating cereal. As a reminder, that clumpiness in there is the Parmesan cheese. All right, we're gonna start incorporating all of this goodness together. Do you remember that we were supposed to save that pasta water? We are going to add, sorry to reach over there. We are going to add some of that pasta water to our pan to make sure our sauce is fully cooked. I'm going to turn my heat on low. I'm not seeing scrambled eggs, y'all. I think we might have accidentally did it right the first time. Okay, this is almost done. Once my garlic bread gets done, then I'm gonna meet you back over on my counter, and we're gonna, after I get all of this plated up, I cannot wait to give this a try. And here is dinner at our house tonight: chicken carbonara and garlic bread. Hey guys, welcome to Eat at Home day number 2. For dinner tonight, I already ate. I had to go to a Vacation Bible School volunteer meeting, but my husband is going to have some kind of version of taco. So he will be heading home shortly from work. And as of right now, I am just doing the meat. And then once he gets home, we'll figure out what the next steps are. I have already ground my hamburger, drained it, and added my taco seasoning. We use the Tones brand. I'm just going to let this do its thing and get thickened up. And then I'm gonna cover this with some aluminum foil and take it off the heat. And we'll be back once I figure out what my husband wants me to do with this taco meat. Okay guys, my husband just came home from work and he has decided that he is going to warm up that taco meat, and he is going to make him some little burritos with soft shell tortillas, olives, green onions, and some taco blend cheese. And then he also likes to add some hot sauce. Okay guys, he's got his taco meat, some cheese, some olives, and some hot sauce. And these are going into the microwave to get warmed up. And here is cheesy beef burritos for dinner tonight at our house. Hey guys, tonight is Eat at Home dinner day number 3. And on the meal plan is salad and pizza. So I have some lettuce, cucumbers, tomatoes, green onions. I'm gonna just do a quick salad. I've got some cheddar cheese. I have these little pepperonis that's left over. And I don't know if I'm gonna put these on the pizza to get them used up or if I'm gonna throw them in the salad. For salad dressing, we're going to use this Marzetti's Honey French, or my other new latest obsession is the Tuscan House Italian. So we'll use either one of those kinds of dressings. So I'm gonna spend some time getting all this chopped up. Also, my oven is preheating. We will be doing the classic sausage tombstone pizza tonight. I'm probably only gonna have maybe one pizza, and then my husband will eat the majority of this. But I'm more interested in a salad than I am pizza tonight, even though they both sound good. So this is kind of our plan for dinner. Do some chopping, throw this in the oven. Okay guys, I've gotten everything all chopped up. The only thing that I did not put down in the salad is the green onions, and that's just because I'm not a big fan. Y'all know that my husband is team onion. I am not. I am team no onion. All right, I did think of a couple things that I forgot to get out. I've got some sunflower seeds here. I have some bacon bits, and then also have some croutons. Then the only other thing that we need to add to our salad is the salad supreme. We like to put it on the top to give the salad a little bit more flavor. So I pretty much have my salad done. I'm gonna pop this back in the fridge until my husband gets home. All right, guys, next up for dinner, this is our frozen pizza. My oven is preheated, and I'm going to add these mini pepperonis to half of this pizza. All right, guys, I'm gonna keep going, and I'm gonna get this in the oven and just bake it per the package instructions. Here's dinner for tonight at our house: salad and pizza. Hey guys, today is Eat at Home Day 4. So tonight on the meal plan, we'll be having hot dogs, grilled hot dogs. I'm gonna use these bunny buns that I bought, and I'm also gonna make a couple sides. I have these Knorr butter and herbs noodles, and then I also have some carrots that I'm gonna doctor up. So tonight for dinner, we're gonna have grilled hot dogs, butter and herb noodles, and some sliced carrots. I'm gonna cook these on the grill and get these two things started. Here is Eat at Home Day 4. I've got grilled hot dogs, carrots, and buttered noodles. Hey guys, welcome back. Today is Eat at Home Dinner Day 5. So tonight we have to deviate from the meal plan just a little bit because I completely forgot to put my pork chops in the marinade this morning. Pork chops are on the meal plan, but they are Hawaiian pork chops, and I forgot to put them in the Hawaiian marinade. So we are just gonna do some grilled pork chops tonight. I'd already had them thawed, I just forgot to put them in. I'm gonna season my pork chops with some Lowry's and some John Henry's honey rib rub seasoning. So I'm gonna get these seasoned up on both sides, and I'm gonna get these on the grill. My pork chops are finishing up outside. My husband is processing a pineapple, and he's doing some strawberries and some grapes for me today because he's awesome like that. For a side dish, we are going to just heat up some of these Bush's baked beans on the stove top, and we're gonna have fruit. Here is Eat at Home Day number 5 dinner. Grilled pork chops, baked beans, and sliced pineapple. Hey guys, tonight is Eat at Home Dinner Day 6. I'm just sitting over here cooking away and forgot all about you guys. Sorry about that. So what I have in this, we are making baked spaghetti and garlic knots for dinner tonight. I have just some ragu spaghetti sauce. I have browned my ground beef already. I'm gonna mix my ground beef and my ragu together. Y'all, I was just over here cooking away. I felt like something wasn't quite right, but I couldn't figure out what it was, and I was like, crap, I'm not even recording any of this. So I'm catching you up really quick here. All right, so our sauce is ready to go. And then I have a casserole dish. It's just my husband and I, so I'm not gonna fix a big 9x13 pan that I have lightly sprayed with nonstick cooking spray. I'm gonna use mozzarella slices. And I have already cooked my spaghetti noodles. So all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get this assembled. My oven is preheated to 350 degrees. I'm gonna put a little bit of sauce down at the bottom. My husband really wasn't feeling a salad, so I'm not making that. just the spaghetti and garlic knots. I'm gonna do a layer of spaghetti noodles. I'm gonna put this in my oven until my cheese is all melted and bubbly. Basically, everything's cooked. We're just warming it all up to temperature and letting all those flavors seep in together. So I'm gonna start out with this about 30 minutes. I'll give you the exact time whenever I get back. Our baked spaghetti just came out of the oven. I let mine cook for 35 minutes. I love this little crunchy, crispy brown cheese. Definitely gonna get a corner piece on this one, or whatever, you know, it's circle. So my garlic knots are finishing up, and then I'm gonna let this rest. So I will be back to get everything plated up as soon as our garlic knots are ready. Here is Eat at Home Dinner Day 6, baked spaghetti and garlic knots. All right, guys, that's gonna do it for today's video. Thank you so much for following along. Don't forget, Jesus loves you.